Well, it's out. Wasn't too bad. There it is. Turbo 400. I don't think it's the torque converter at all, because well, when I took it out, and here I could see where something was scraping. That's where the torque converter goes in, and the flex plate sits on here. But there is no, as you can see, no scraping marks on here. And sounds normal to me. So, oh, and if you're going to do this by yourself, go get one of these Pittsburgh jacks. They work great with a ratchet strap. I'll show you a picture of it. Let me get out from under the truck. Second day. Oh. Oh. But oh, yeah. This is the jack. They're well worth it. Get one if you're doing it by yourself. Oh, this is my problem. There's the flex plate. You see that? They don't supposed to be like that. You can see where the parts of the torque converter was moving. That definitely don't supposed to be like that. And there's the engine side. But yeah, so I do believe that was our problem. Huh. Original GM. It says GM on it. Wow. Well, truck has 300 and some odd miles on it. I think 345. Yep. And it's the work truck. Mr. Kermit. So once I'm going to order up a flex plate, got to count the number, the teeth on it, and be done. Other than that,